Hello YouTube and welcome to another tutorial video. Today I'm gonna show you how to create a refrigerator cake. For the ingredients, all you need are graham crackers, all-purpose cream, condensed milk, and for topping, I'm gonna use chocolate. Chocolate. To mix all-purpose cream, and condensed milk in any proportion you like. Mix them together. The next step is get your graham crackers ready and let's get started layering. So you're gonna start first with cream. Layer of crackers. Make sure it's nice and try to fill cracker layer as possible. So let's put the final layer. For the topping, I'm gonna use just crumbling some chocolate. Chocolate. All you need is to set it on the fridge for about 24 hours because that's the best way to make refrigerator cake. And that's about it.